guest in the glass. I am sitting on my sofa. The house is silent. Then I hear it. A notification from my smart home app. Front door unlocked. I didn't unlock it. I look at the door. It is still closed, but the handle is turning slowly, back and forth, like someone is testing the weight of the lock. I hold my breath. The turning stops. Then a whisper comes from the other side. I know you're not sleeping. Part 2, the build. I check the peephole. The porch is empty. The streetlights are flickering. I lock the deadbolt. My hands are shaking. I go to the kitchen to get a knife. I see my reflection in the microwave door. Something is wrong. In the reflection, the kitchen cabinet behind me is open. I turn around. The cabinet is closed. I look back at the reflection. It is open, wide open. I reach out and touch the real cabinet. It is cold. Suddenly, the microwave timer starts counting down. 9, 8, 7. I didn't press any buttons. I pull the plug. The screen stays on. 6, 5, 4. I run to the living room. The TV is on now. It's just static, gray and white noise. But in the noise, there are shapes. They look like faces. My face. The TV me is screaming, but I am standing perfectly still. I find my phone. I try to call 911. The phone doesn't ring. Instead, I hear my own voice on the line. He's in the hallway, my voice says. Don't look at the mirrors. I look at the hallway mirror. There is a tall shadow standing behind me. It has no face. It has long, thin fingers. One finger is touching my shoulder. I feel the cold, but when I turn around, the hallway is empty. I run into my bedroom. I lock the door. I push the dresser in front of it. I sit on the bed. My heart is hammering against my ribs. Minutes pass. The house becomes quiet again. The TV stops hissing. The microwave screen finally goes black. Maybe it was a prank. Maybe I'm just tired. I take a deep breath. The air smells like rain and old paper. I look at my bedside clock. 12 a.m. I wait for it to change to 12:01. 1 minute passes. The clock says 12 a.m. Another minute passes. Still 12 a.m. Time has stopped. I hear a scratching sound. It's coming from under the bed. I don't want to look, but I have to. I lean over the edge. I look into the dark space. I see a pair of eyes. They are my eyes. It's me. The other me is hiding under the bed. He looks terrified. He puts a finger to his lips. Shh, he whispers. He's on the bed. I freeze. I am on the bed. I feel the mattress sink behind me. Something heavy is sitting down. I feel a cold breath on my neck. Found you, a voice rasps. It isn't my voice. I try to scream. No sound comes out. My skin starts to feel like glass. I look at my hands. They are becoming transparent. I look down at the other me under the bed. He is becoming solid. He is crawling out. He looks at me with a sad smile. It's my turn to be real, he says. He picks up my phone. He unlocks the front door. He walks out of the room. I'm stuck. I'm just a shadow now. I look at the mirror on the dresser. I'm inside it. I see the tall, faceless man standing in the room. He isn't looking at the other me. He's looking at the mirror. He's looking at me. He leans close to the glass. He fogs it with his breath. He writes one word in the fog. Soon. and the lights go out, and I'm still waiting for the clock to hit 12:01.